First thing you're gonna need to do is you just need to open up youtube.com. Once you're here, you can actually see we can click on these three lines in the left side of the screen, which will open up this panel like so, where you want to click on playlist. When you click on playlist, you can see all of your playlists on your current channel, and you basically just want to hover over it. You can actually see the view playlist option right here. You just want to click on this. In doing so, you can view all of the videos in the playlist. You can make edits, remove them from here just by clicking on the three dots next to video, adding to keyword, just sharing anything, and just editing playlists in general from this page. Or you can actually click on this pencil icon right here to edit the information such as the name, the description, and if you want it to be public, private, or include voting. But we want to click on these three dots right here, which doing so will allow you to choose shuffle, add all the videos to other playlists, collaborate, or delete playlists. But if you click on the collaborate option, you can see we can enable this. In doing so, it will allow other people to actually add videos to this playlist when you turn this on. And you can basically copy the invite link right here and send it to other people, and they can actually edit, delete, or remove or add videos to your YouTube playlist. And if you found this helpful, please leave a like.